The Iliad is an epic historical account, written in verse and a tribute to an author we call Homer. Some specialists consider Homer to have been a woman, or a committed or a random collection of legends, but mainstream tradition regards him as a man, probably illiterate and possibly blind, living along the southwest coast of what is today Turkey. The Iliad considered to be one of the earliest masterworks of world literature, and it was enormously influential in Greek and Roman thought and in all the later society, influenced by the classical Mediterranean world. It is also an important historical source of our understanding of the age of Homer and the event he seemed to describe. The Greek poet Homer was born sometime between the 12th and 8th century BC. He is famous for the epic poems The Iliad and the Odyssey, which have had an enormous effect on Western culture, but very little is known about their alleged author. Homer is a mystery, the Greek epic poem credited with the enduring epic tales of the Iliad, and the Odyssey is an enigma insofar as actual facts of his life go. Some scholars believe him to be one man, others think this iconic story was created by a group. Some people think that Homer was blind, but there is no definitive proof. People don't know where the Homer lived because he has 7 different cities claim he was born there. During the first 9 years of the war, when the Greeks were attacking the town allied with Troy, Agamemnon took Chryseis as a war prize. Chryseis' father went to Agamemnon and offered a ransom for him, but Agamemnon refused to return Chryseis. Due to Agamemnon's rejection, Chryseis' father asked Apollo to send a plague upon the Greek camp, causing the death of many soldiers. After Agamemnon knew this reason, he agreed to return Chryseis, but he required that Achilles gave Chryseis in return. Agamemnon and Achilles argued over this matter, so Achilles refused to join in the war. Achilles said that he didn't have any fight with the Trojans, and he didn't see any reason to fight them. The wise man Nestor attempted to reconcile Agamemnon and Achilles. Nestor told Agamemnon not to take Chryseis, and he also told Achilles not to fight Agamemnon. Unfortunately, Nestor's advice fell on deaf ears. Agamemnon took the girl and Achilles promised not to fight again for the Greeks. Achilles then prayed to his mother, Thetis, for help. He asked her to go to Zeus and begged him to help the Trojans until Greeks gave Achilles the honor that he deserved. For a time, the Greeks held their own. Eventually, with Zeus' aid, the Trojans began to push them back. Hector and the Trojans slowly began to gain the momentum. Finally, Agamemnon begged Achilles to go back to battle and offer to return Chryseis, but Achilles didn't accept it. However, Achilles worried that the Greeks might lose. He asked his friend Patroclus to wear his armor and join the war. Eventually, Patroclus was killed by Hector, and Hector took the armor away as his. Due to Achilles' friend's death, he got angry and decided to join the war. Therefore, Achilles' mother asked Hephaestus to make a new armor for Achilles. Because Hector wore Achilles' old armor, he knew the weak point and Achilles killed Hector. Achilles then stripped the body and tied it to his chariot. Day after day, he dragged the body surrounding the walls of Troy as revenge for the death of Patroclus. Due to Apollo protecting the boy and Thetis told Achilles to return Hector's body, so he finally returned the body to Hector's father and gave 12 days of peace to conduct Hector's funeral. Eventually, Trojans burned Hector's body on a funeral pyre.